Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a post go live support plan on ClickUp. So if you're using ClickUp guys in your business and you need a post go live support plan, you can easily create one within ClickUp. Once you're on your team space, just simply click the drop down towards the right hand side of add task on the upper right there. Click on browse templates and you simply want to type in post go live, right? Once you start to type in post go, you will start to see those different post go live plans or support there. So go ahead and choose, for example, this one that appears and click and use template. Now, once you add that in, guys, you will see that it's added and you can click on it to open up that current template. You keep in mind that these templates are fully customizable. So what you get is not all. You can always change it to your liking. And as you can see, this one is loaded. It comes with a get started guide. You can click to see more, to learn how the template works, the features and so forth, right? And you will see that these come with also like subtasks that you can actually use as well. And I'm going to open up one of these subtasks here so that you can have a see what is inside these tasks. And as you can see, this is a fully loaded one, guys. It even have more checklists that you can work with and so forth. And you're not limited to what you get. You can add more, you can change them, you can edit, you can do so much. So if you would like to learn how to use ClickUp, check out the playlist at the end of this video where you can learn a lot more about ClickUp, and that's going to equip you to use ClickUp effectively if you're a beginner in your day-to-day work. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.